Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has got no relief so far in the liquor policy probe. The latest to snub was the Supreme Court, which declined an urgent hearing on his plea against the arrest. Now, in an appeal filed by Arvind Kejriwal in the top court, he has termed his arrest illegal in the middle of the election cycle. He further alleged that the action was based on statement by co-accused who have now turned approvers, and the arrest on 21st March is obviously motivated by considerations. Now, the AAP convener also rang an SOS in the Supreme Court, saying that the arrest bears serious, irreversible ramifications for the future of electoral democracy in India. He further warned that if he is not released, it will establish a precedent for ruling parties to arrest opposition heads on flimsy charges before polls. That's essentially the latest that we do know, given how this has been one legal setback after the other for Arvind Kejriwal. Now, in the latest, let's tell you, as far as this entire matter is concerned, now what Arvind Kejriwal has essentially told Supreme Court is that his arrest bears serious, irreversible ramifications for future of democracy in India. Understand Rame, my colleague, joins me for more. Rame, good morning. You know, with the fact that legally speaking, of course, there is no respite that has come for Arvind Kejriwal. But considering he's made a very important statement, we're also playing that out in terms of the ramifications on Indian democracy. Tell us overall, where do things stand for him?
So as of now, the Supreme Court has not given an urgent hearing to Arvind Kejriwal. Arvind Kejriwal had moved an application seeking urgent hearing. However, even the mention was made by the senior advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi. On Friday, Abhishek Manu Singhvi, appearing for Kejriwal, stated that there is a chief minister who has been arrested. It's a legal arrest. Please hear us. On this, the CJI had responded that, okay, please send an email. We will look into this. After that, there came no cause list. There was no case updation, which would have stated that the Supreme Court is set to hear Arvind Kejriwal's plea. So the day went by and there was no list, which was self-evident of the fact that urgent.
Right, Rame, I'd have to interject you there, but for the moment, thank you very much for getting us his initial details as far as what he has alleged in terms of this case. We're shifting our focus now